Hi everyone, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. I have a little haul for you today that I'm super excited to share with you. This is my order from Nerd the Word Sticker Co. from the March TPC sale. I gotta tell you, it is Wednesday, March 16th. The sale ran from Friday the 10th to Monday the 14th. I ordered it, Thursday the 10th to Monday the 14th. I ordered this on Thursday afternoon and it arrived on Monday from Michigan to Canada. I don't know how Sheri did that. I don't know what kind of witchcraft or voodoo she is practicing, but I want to know because I would like to also take it up. In any case, I'm really excited about what's in here and I'm going to show you what I got. So, oh my goodness. Right, so packing slips. So, first, I haven't looked at these yet, but I am super excited because one of them I know, well, I've sort of forgotten everything I've ordered, but one of them I know and I'm really excited about it. Okay, let's talk about freebies because these are the super cute freebies that Sheri had for the sale. So the theme for this sale was, I have to think about it every time, smoking hot or pick your spot. So barbecues or picnics. I went the picnic route with my freebies. Sheri obviously went the barbecue route and I'm so excited about this. So first up we have a little what's for dinner sticker for your weekly tracker, some glitter headers, her little character Bill, barbecuing, chips and dip, sausage on a thing to barbecue, whatever those are called, and then a chicken. So that is super cute. Then we have this, I believe it's a little mini kit. So we've got our days of the week and then these really funny full boxes. So we've got one that says, come on mustard, you need to catch up. And one that says, killing me softly with his tongs. Sheri. All right, and then this page which says, keeping it lit, chop it like it's hot, about to flip, let me be frank, and want to go on a picnic, I'll pack a lunch. All right, I love it. Love it, love it. Don't show this to my husband because these might be the only planner stickers he would ever want and he can't have them. So these are the super adorable and funny freebies that we got. Then, so Sheri does hand lettered snark and I love them and I wanted to pick up a few more to add to my collection. So I got Keep It Together and yeah, no, for sure. So those two there. What's next under here? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Okay, so during the January sale, I ordered what I thought was 2 standard vertical kits and the corresponding TPC Nation kits for them. I did not check my cart very well because what I actually got was the 2 TPC Nation kits that I was expecting and then 2 of the same vertical kit that was not this one. So I have the corresponding TPC Nation kit for this one already, but I did not have this version. I had 2 of the other version, which I'm not upset about having 2 of the same thing, believe me, especially because all of Sheri's stuff is hand drawn now and I love that. So I did want to pick up the 2 sheets of this kit that I normally get from Sheri's kit. So they are 4-page kits. I really want the hand-drawn components of them, obviously. So I tend to get the full boxes and the washi because they're the most decorative parts. And then I supplement with like functionals that I've got in my stash. And because they're so pretty and colorful, there are tons of options for matching functionals to them. So I am in love with this. It is almost the first week of spring. It doesn't really look like it or feel like it here, but maybe this will make it into my planner next week when spring actually starts. So that is the Hello Spring kit. Then I got, oh yes, the Bloom with Grace kit, which just look at the colors in this kit, honestly. All hand drawn, all hand lettered. I would like to steal her handwriting. Thank you very much. So beautiful. And I love that she does such vibrant colors because, like, don't get me wrong, I love a pastel, but come on, look at these colors. So pretty. we have Bloom with Grace. Oh, yes. Okay, so these were for, this is the RSTLNE kit. These were for the February TPC sale, with a theme for which was, like, I think it was like vintage game shows or vintage games, something like that. Anyway, and Sheri did a Wheel of Fortune kit, and I just love it. I am not ashamed to say I love Wheel of Fortune. There's also another show represented in some of these kits that I'm going to show you, and I'm not ashamed to say that I love that one either. But I do love me some Wheel of Fortune. That's such a cute wheel there. So cute. Oh, okay, so then we have the TPC version that matches it, because when I buy Sheri's kits, I really like to have the matching ones. Sometimes I use them the same week and sometimes I don't, but I just like to have the options for them. And look at these date covers. The TPC Nation kits are a 2-page kit, so you get both with every kit. And look at those date covers. The colors, oh my gosh. Okay. All right, here is my all-time favorite TV show, not just game show, just favorite TV show in general. I am a Jeopardy lover, and I do really love this kit. So Sheri calls this kit What Is. It's obviously Jeopardy themed, and I love it. I love the addition of the Nora and Bill characters there. Obviously, I think she should have like hand-drawn in Sean Connery from Saturday Night Live Celebrity Jeopardy, but you know, Burt Reynolds maybe in a big yellow hat, whatever, you can't have everything. But I just think that this kit is awesome and so fun. Okay, so that's what was in the first little envelope. That was my first order. Then I immediately realized that I had forgotten some stuff that I had intended to pick up. So I had to run back and place another order. And because Sheri is awesome, she combined them for me and shipped them together. And the first one is the TPC Nation version of the What If kit. What Is. So there we go. That's it in TPC Nation format as well. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to try not to get so excited, but I cannot make any promises. So then we have the Bloom with Grace version of the, TPC Nation version of the Bloom with Grace kit. And I love that she adds these little like week size boxes in here with the quotes. I think that's adorable. Colors. Love it. Oh yes, okay. Then we got some meat themed stuff going on. It was a barbecue themed sale after all. So this is the, what's this one actually called? It is called, hold on. It's called Barbecue Gnomes. So this is the TPC version of the Barbecue Gnomes kit. If you are not familiar with Sheri's shop, she does do all kinds of gnomes for every season and occasion you can possibly think of. Love this. Again, don't show this to my husband. A sticker with a grill on it. That might be right up his alley. And then I got the We Have the Meats standard vertical kit. And this is the 4-page version of the kit. So this is page 1. I actually don't know if they're numbered, but anyway, that's the full boxes. Those are your functionals. Oh my gosh, look at this washi. Love that washi. I mean, that looks like real flames. I don't know how she does that. And then the date dots, date covers, and glitter and such. Love it. And then the last thing in this envelope is a sheet of Nora stickers. These are the gardening stickers, and Nora is Sheri's exclusive character in the shop. Love that as well. All right, there's one more thing to show you. I'm so excited about it. Can't even tell you. Okay, Sheri's shop is exclusively hand-drawn, with the exception of her Just Boxes sheets. And Just Boxes are literally what they're called. It's a sheet of full boxes, and you can go wild with them and do whatever you want with them. I love these sheets. I'm literally looking up at my camera as I say this, as though you can see like the like emphasis I'm trying to put on things here. I love these sheets. I use them a lot in my daily with journaling planner, because you can use a couple on one day and then a couple on another day. You can do a full weekly spread with them just by adding some functionals. These were part of Sheri's 2/22 sale, so February 22nd, which was like 2/22/2022. It's too many twos. She did a sale that day, and these were part of that sale. And just wait. These boxes are so fun. All right, so the first set, these were like grab bag format. So the first sheet we have are the perfect pear boxes. These are so pretty. Pears are my favorite fruit, which is, I think, maybe a random favorite fruit to have. And also I eat them like once every 3 years, but they are my favorite. So we have pears, and then, oh, functionals to match. Wait. Oh, brush strokes, you guys. I love this. I love Sheri's brush strokes. I got them as a freebie during another sale in the fall, I think, or maybe the end of the year. And I love them. The fact that she did like coordinating functionals with these is perfect. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's the first set. I haven't seen the rest of these. They were grab bag. Okay, ready? We're gonna see it at the same time. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, you are the peanut butter to my jelly. How flippin' cute. Honestly, you guys, come on. I love that she's adding in the hand lettered quote boxes too. That's such a fun addition to it. Oh my gosh. I do love some peanut butter. I do not love jam, but I like the concept of them together. That's cute. All right, functionals for these ones. Oh, look at those colors. The purple and like the jam color. Yes. Okay, and the last. Oh. Yep, I love. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready for the last one? We're gonna look together. I keep looking away as I pick up this last sheet. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Rule number 1, never beat number 2. I love that. So kind of numbers themed. The colors in this, look at that. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm in love. So we have this one, rule number 1, never be number 2. You are the peanut butter to my jelly. And the perfect pear, which the perfect pear is a tough thing to master. I'm just going to say that. It is like an elusive thing that may not actually exist. Okay, I'm very, very happy and excited about these. So we have our Just Boxes grab bag with the coordinating functionals, which I just freaking love. We have our little, let me put these right smack in the middle because that's where they belong. We have our little Nora sheet, gardening. We have the Meats standard vertical kit, the barbecue Gnomes TPC Nation kit. Oh, you guys can't see all of that. The Bloom with Grace TPC Nation kit, the What If TPC Nation kit, the What If standard vertical kit, which I'm in love with, RSTLNE, also love. There's the standard vertical version. We've got Bloom with Grace standard vertical Hello Spring, which I've been longing to have since I didn't order it by mistake the first time around. keep it together. Yeah, no, for sure. For snark. And then these flippin' funny freebies right here. Okay, this is my order from Nerds the Word Sticker Co. that Sheri, the wizard slash some kind of amazing witch, managed to get from Michigan to Ontario in like a 1.5 business days. I'll never understand how. I am absolutely delighted. I'm going to leave Sheri's shop link down below. You should check it out. I'm also going to link her Facebook group because she's hilarious and has so much fun over there. And you guys should all go check her out ASAP. And like, you know, if you're talking to Sheri, just drop a good word for me. Like just drop a note that maybe she should do these grab bags again, like very, very, very soon. Okay? Just for me. Thanks. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future content, and come over and join us on Facebook too. So join Sheri's group, check out her shop, and join my Facebook group as well. Links all down below. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.